When it comes to improving the comfort, efficiency, and overall appeal of your home, professional window installation services in St. James can make a world of difference. While some homeowners may be tempted to tackle window replacement themselves, hiring trusted experts brings benefits that go beyond the simple act of putting in new glass. From energy savings to home value, here are the top advantages you'll experience when investing in professional window installation. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most noticeable benefits of professional window installation is improved energy efficiency. High quality, properly fitted windows prevent drafts and heat loss, helping maintain a consistent indoor temperature throughout the year. In St. James, where seasonal changes can put a strain on heating and cooling systems, energy-efficient windows keep your home comfortable while lowering utility bills. Over time, the savings on energy costs can offset the initial investment, making it a smart long-term decision. Enhanced curb appeal. Your windows are one of the first things people notice about your home. Old, worn, or poorly fitted windows can bring down the overall look of your property. Professional installation gives your house a fresh, updated appearance that instantly boosts curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the near future or simply want to take pride in its appearance, new windows add a polished, modern look that elevates your entire property. Increased home value. Window replacement is one of the top home improvement projects for return on investment. Potential buyers in St. James value homes with energy-efficient, stylish, and well-installed windows. By upgrading, you're not only enhancing comfort now but also increasing resale value down the line. Professional window installation ensures the job is done correctly, giving future buyers peace of mind that they won't need immediate repairs or replacements. Better indoor comfort. Drafty windows can make certain rooms in your home uncomfortable, whether too cold in winter or too hot in summer. With properly installed windows, you eliminate air leaks and hot or cold spots. This means you can enjoy consistent comfort in every room, no matter the season. In addition, modern windows are designed to block UV rays, protecting your furniture, floors, and decor from fading over time. Noise reduction. If you live near a busy street or in a lively neighborhood, outside noise can interfere with your peace and quiet. Professionally installed windows with insulated glass and tight seals act as a barrier, reducing the amount of noise that enters your home. Whether it's traffic, construction, or simply neighborhood activity, you'll notice a calmer, more peaceful indoor environment. Professional workmanship and warranty. DIY window installation can often lead to mistakes that cost more in the long run: gaps, leaks, or even structural damage. Professional window services in St. James bring experience, the right tools, and industry knowledge to ensure every window is installed to exact standards. Many companies also offer warranties on both the product and installation, giving you added peace of mind. If anything goes wrong, you're covered without additional expenses. Safety and security. Today's windows are designed with stronger materials, secure locking systems, and impact-resistant glass. Professional installation ensures these features work as intended, giving your family added protection against break-ins and severe weather. With experts handling the installation, you can trust that your windows provide both safety and security without compromise. Final thoughts. Investing in professional window installation services in St. James is about more than just replacing old glass. It's about enhancing your home's efficiency, beauty, comfort, and safety. From energy savings and noise reduction to increased home value and peace of mind, the benefits are long-lasting and impactful. Whether you're updating a single room or your entire home, working with skilled professionals ensures you get the best results, both now and for years to come.